Dear students and listeners, I am Chiranjeev Mondal, lecturer in English, Chamanando Fazil Madrasa, Moula Bagarat. Uh, you know very well that Corona has influenced us almost all the world and our arts and our lives and activities. Standing in this situation, we are trying to continue our education, our class through online classes, so that you can be benefited and come and participate to my class, and you will be benefited or you will be enriched. Today we will discuss about Amerigo's life, Unit 7, Lesson 4. There are many children, there are many street children in our country who do not have enough money, enough food, enough shelter, like Amerigo. Amerigo is a boy, orphan boy, who has no money, no shelter. His father and mother are separated and they do not live with one another or with each other. He wants to live with his mother. He wants to live with his father, but his father and his mothers or his parents do not want him. He wants some money. He begged some money to his father so that he can buy a bus ticket, but his father still did not answer. Street is his home. There is no home for her to sleep. He sleeps in street. Sometimes he try to work, but he do not get sufficient money. He collects rubbish from the dump. He collects rubbish, but one day he was seriously infected, and his doctor forbidden him to collect rubbish. After that, he took a work in an ice cream factory, ice cream shop, but his the shop owner or his lord did not give him sufficient money. He only gave him to eat. He still now he think that he is happy and he is fortunate person because he is alive. মানে সে বেঁচে আছে। আই এম টেকিং এ চান্স টু স্পিক ইন বেঙ্গলি। সে বেঁচে আছে, এটাই তার জন্য বড় পাওয়া। এটা নিয়েই সে আনন্দ উপভোগ করে যে যত কষ্টই হোক বেঁচে তো আছি। সাম অফ হিজ ফ্রেন্ডস ওয়ার ডেড। দে ওয়ার্ক ভেরি রিস্কি ওয়ার্ক। দে ডু ভেরি রিস্কি ওয়ার্ক ইন মিল অর ফ্যাক্টরি। Shoe shining is a popular work for street children. One of his friends lost his one eye after entering a hot piece of glass into his eyes. তার চোখে গরম গ্লাস ছুটে এসে পড়ার জন্য চোখই নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে। And how horrible this situation is. His lord or the owner of that factory, ওই ফ্যাক্টরির মালিক, did not give him any money for medical support. ডাক্তার দেখানোর জন্য টাকা দেয়নি, যার জন্য সে চক্ষু দিল, তার জন্য ডাক্তার দেখানোর কোনো টাকা দেয়নি। পরিবেশটা কত খারাপ, এই জন্য সে চিন্তা করে যে না আমি বেঁচে আছি, এটাই বড় কথা। And there are more children in our country who roam in street. They do not know where he will eat, where he will sleep, but their life is very miserable. Life is miserable for them. Time is very horrible for them. And I think after finishing the class, you will be able to learn, but we will be able to learn the horrible situation, horrible lifestyle, or horrible condition of our street children, street kids, and miseries of their lives. And you will follow this class, and you will try to more and more in your text. Today we will finish the class, and stay home, stay safe, take mask while you go to outside of your home, and at the same time you must have to maintain a social distance and keep well. Thank you to all.